To enable or disable efficiency mode for apps in Windows 11, start by right-clicking on an empty space in the taskbar and opening the Task Manager. Once open, navigate to the Processes tab and locate the process for which you want to enable or disable efficiency mode. Look for a green leaf icon under the status bar to diagnose the current efficiency mode status. Note that efficiency mode is automatically enabled for some apps, including Windows widgets and Chrome. To enable or disable efficiency mode for a specific app, click on the app and check if the efficiency mode option is available. If it's grayed out, you won't be able to change the setting. If the option is available, click on it to toggle efficiency mode on or off. You will be prompted to confirm your choice, with a warning that disabling efficiency mode may cause instability for certain processes. After confirming, the change will take effect. To disable efficiency mode, simply repeat the process and click on the efficiency mode option again. This process allows you to customize efficiency mode settings for apps in Windows 11, which can help improve power efficiency but may affect performance.